Welcome. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe.
Hims is getting his diggings on. Oh, Hims is digging. Oh, Hims is it. And where do you expect to go? You dig deep enough, you'll make your way to China. Uh-huh. Hims is digging his way straight to China. Oh my goodness gracious, he got himself an acorn, I'll be darned. Did he just dig that out? Oh, Hims is munching. The squirrel took off so quickly I couldn't even catch. Oh, there he is over there. He's munching on his acorn, or whatever it is that he got. Oh, there's a groundhog. Word has it, he slipped over the wall to steal the food of the prairie dog. What can you do when you're hungry? You're hungry. And Hims is digging. He's going to meet up with the squirrel and the prairie dog in China. That's a groundhog too. It's not the prairie dog, it's a groundhog right there. He snuck in to steal the prairie dog's food. Oh my God, he's almost his entire body's in there.
That's a groundhog. Oh my God.
He's all the way in there. Look at the feet. Bye-bye, guy. Bye-bye.
Well, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks so much for stopping by.